So many feel that they have yet to find the meaning of their lives, the value and their worth, if we just walked along with hearts made kind, and listened to their tales and sought to ease their hurt. Perhaps they'd hearken to the news we bear, and in the broken bread come to know true love and care. The light of the world, the salt of the earth, we scatter